everyone, welcome to 3A's Academy for English and I am Mrs. Kanchan Sohal, your personal coach. In English, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम जाने अनजाने में गलती कर जाते हैं and we don't realize कि here we have made mistake. So for this, I am here. So please shadow me to explore more. We have known about countable and uncountable nouns. But do you know that a and an not used with uncountable nouns? Very simple. A or an is for singular countable. So it cannot be used with uncountable nouns. तो कैसे use करेंगे? I want to say, if say suppose I need information. So if I am saying, excuse me, I need an information, that is wrong. Because information is uncountable noun. I cannot use an. So what we can do? We have to use partitive structure. We have to use partitive sentence or structure with uncountable noun. It means to quantify or to count an uncountable, you have to use a measure word. A measure word definitely used for the countables. So you have to use a unit of measurement. For an example, if I am taking an example of bread. So bread is uncountable. So if I say give me a bread, that is wrong. Give me a packet of bread, that is okay. Give me one slice of bread, very correct. Or give me 2 slices of bread or breads. Even you can use loaf, L-O-A-F. Loaves, that is plural. So here I have with many examples. If I say an anger, he slapped his son in an anger. Wrong. In a fit of anger. He slapped his son in a fit of anger. This is how you have to use. So I have used a fit of anger. That is an expression also which you can use for this. Next is irony. Ma'am, I think there is an irony in the poem or in the sentence or in this chapter. And no, beta, that is wrong. That is a touch of irony. Not an irony, but a touch of irony. There is a touch of irony in the poem. So when you are writing, when you are speaking, please keep in mind all these basic information. Alright? Further, if I am talking about there is a difference, wrong. There is a scrap of difference or a lot of difference. This is how you have to use. For an example, you are writing letter, you are writing complaint letter, you are writing letter to the editors where you are drawing attention. So here you can use this. You can empower your expressions. How? Writing letters to the authorities has not made a scrap of difference in their attitude. Means they have not heard or given any attention to our complaint letter. So this is the thing. So please use this empowered expressions and you can score higher. Right? Now a few more examples are here. If I can see, if you can see, and I can say that an act of kindness, a blade of grass, a grass. The grasshopper is jumping on a grass or at the edge of a grass, a blade of grass. So please improve by using these expressions, that is partitive structure or expressions which are mostly used with uncountable nouns. Further, we are having a piece of furniture. Not furniture. There is a furniture. Wrong. The furniture which I brought is costly. Because उसके पहले मैंने a और an नहीं यूज किया, तो furniture considered to be singular uncountable, तो furniture के साथ is लगाना करेक्ट है, बट उसके पहले a furniture wrong है. ठीक है, सो अ पीस ऑफ फर्नीचर, सो मेजर वर्ड हो गया पीस. ठीक है, बिकॉज फर्नीचर इज एन अनकाउंटेबल. फाइन. देन नेक्स्ट, एन आइटम ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर. इट इज एन आइटम ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर. इसके ऊपर हम जो खर्च करते हैं. ठीक है, अ स्पेक ऑफ डस्ट. देर इज नो स्पेक ऑफ डस्ट बिकॉज there are no children. ठीक है, so speck, mostly we are saying layer of dust. It is better if you are using speck of dust. Many a times we are eating or we like the popcorn or sweet corn, all these things. So that one what you say seed or of the corn is actually ears of corn. That is ears of corn. ठीक है. Next, a pat of butter. Just one dab कहते हैं. कभी we are using the word dab also when we are putting something. So dab is used for different usage. Here we are using for butter. It is not a dab, but it is pat of butter. Next, a bit of fun. ये तो बहुत कॉमन है, हम यूज करते हैं. Let's have a fun is wrong. A bit of fun. Fine. A pang of guilty. He suffers with a guilty. गलत. A pang of guilt. Sorry. A pang of guilt. ठीक है. So with the word guilt, please use pang. Next is a glimmer of hope and a scrap of evidence. There is no any scrap of evidence. ठीक है, so this way please use these expressions. Please use these expressions and empower your sentences. And I hope that a and an usage is very clear and correct, and I hope you will use it. So happy learning. Keep liking, sharing my videos, and please subscribe. Thank you. Happy learning.